Beautiful plants, beautiful bushes. Hey, y'all, have y'all ever wondered, since we had giants, right? And these big trees that we have here, y'all never noticed since we had giants, y'all done never thought that these big trees were bushes for them. These little small plants, right? These little small bushes is plants. Oh yeah, we did have giants, big boy giants, and they still are just finding their bones and things like that. If you go to some of these states and look at some of these pyramids, some of the fake ass mountains they got as pyramids, with every mountain out here down that pyramid go, this is the United States is what the Bible is talking about. So everything the Bible is talking about that is the United States. Man, you gotta love nature, man. From the ground to the plants, to the trees. Beautiful. When I say beautiful, she is beautiful. See the glare coming through the trees, through the bushes. Oh my goodness. Good positive energy. Good positive energy. That's a tree right there. I don't feel a long time ago. I guarantee that tree connect to that one. You gotta love it. Nature calls our answer at all times. People, get your mind right. 2025. Don't get caught up. Don't get caught by the wrath, man. At least get yourself prepared for it. The government trying to destroy us. They trying their best. You got the 13th family, Rothschild and all them motherfuckers trying to destroy us. You know what I'm saying? But they go get theirs. Believe it, they go get theirs. Peace.